This is Mngqith 2010 Sharp I channel. Please help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Please make sure that you subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. Right, this is Mngqith 2010 Sharp I channel. We're here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs not Mamelodi Sundowns 4. Bodi, how's it?
Mr. Mngqoba, answer right.
I can see. Yeah.
I am not good at all.
Yeah. What's up?
For the past few games that we've played, you know Ntwari cannot dive to the lower post.
Exactly, yeah.
Why are you still coming back with him?
I mean, he conceded every game.
For each and every game that we've played, he has been conceding goals.
Yeah.
Goals and goals. Goals that he could have saved easily, or chased them or pushed them off the pitch. But then why do you still have to come with him throughout this game that we're playing? Mngqith, Steve Kompela and the other coach, they know they've studied him. They know as to which position he normally dives at.
Exactly, yeah.
Then coming to the midfielders, I don't know the 4-4-3 formation. It is really not working for us at all. It was 4-3-3 formation. It is not working. Why can't they try 4-4-2 formation? You've got Utuba, you've got Utipris on the bench, you've got Chivarira that was on the field. Why are you still bringing him back?
And it's not giving Chiefs
enough
anything.
Credit.
Exactly.
You've got Utipris. He's a fast runner.
Exactly.
You've got Shabalal. He's also a fast runner.
There's also Saile there.
You've got Saile. Even though he normally run across the line.
Exactly.
He does not cut in. But with Utipris, you can easily take Userinho and kick in those balls. Or Umshin, Mngqoba.
Exactly, yeah.
Mngqoba, the number 12.
Mngqoba
to kick in those balls. For who? For Utipris. You've got Uplom. He could have done a 4-4-2. At the back, it was right. But the first goal, it was never a foul. Though he has awarded a penalty to a Sundowns fan.
And that opened a can of worms there.
It has opened a can of worms. And our players, they lack self-discipline and self-confidence.
They give up easily.
Why did they pull down their socks?
Exactly.
They could have came back from the first half throughout the game.
Exactly.
They were supposed to carry out their emotions off the field and concentrate on the game.
Exactly.
Mngqoba, he is not a coach. He is not a coach.
He's just having a material.
He just has a material. Nabi, he's still building from something that has been damaged for the past 8 years of the seasons. Steve Kompela came in, he never done anything. Other coaches, they came in and they never done anything. Kevin Hunt, I wouldn't blame him. We never gave him enough chance.
Exactly. And Kevin Hunt didn't have a chance, to sign new players. Remember Chiefs were banned.
Yes, by FIFA during that time.
Exactly.
But then today, you could have introduced a 4-4-2 formation. Take Ntwari off, bring in Bavuma or Peterson. For a change. Bavuma, he shouts at the players in most of the time. Ntwari, he always keep quiet. He's way too quiet.
Exactly.
Look at the third goal. Matt was supposed to tackle in that player. He couldn't. Up until Miguel did the dirty work on behalf of Matt Yusuf. From there, he got the red card. Our players, their evidence, their confidence literally went off the field.
Exactly. No, thank you so much, my brother.
Then we brought in the youngsters. What were they supposed to do? If your senior players like Matt Yusuf, they cannot perform easily.
Exactly. No.
Then yet you kept Chivarira for the whole 90 minutes plus.
He has got a lot of confidence on him.
He was supposed to start with two strikers, center forwards. Duba and Dupris. They've got pace, they've got skill, and they've got technique and a physique to finish off. Umvala, always he commits foul. If he was under pressure, Umvala, for sure would have walked away with 3 goals or more.
Exactly. No.
But unfortunately, it's not.
No. Thank you so much, my brother. Good analysis.